Welcome to Jira Bakery. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain what is Confluence Space and how to create a space in Confluence. If you would like to know more about Confluence, please subscribe to Jira Bakery. And I have created multiple videos on Confluence, Jira software, and Jira service management by keeping the beginners in my mind. Now, let's get back to the Confluence Space. So, obviously, by now, you know that Confluence is an Atlassian product. This will allow teams to collaborate and share information. It mainly used for the document collaboration, knowledge management, and team communication. In this space, teams will create multiple pages and store blog posts to organize them information in one space. Now, let's get back to the area where we can create a space in Confluence. So click on the space button on the banner, and there are two ways. You can click on create space button link or view all spaces link. The reason why I selected view all spaces link is I would like to show you, if at all you have already created spaces, that this link will display, this page will display all the created spaces together in this particular page. Now, from here also you can create a new space. For that, go to the top right corner of the page and click on the create space. By clicking on the create space, you will be navigated to the page where you have to select the what type of space you would like to create. By default, we receive four templates. One is the blank space, and one is a team space, and it will give you the information if at all you select the team space template. These are the things that you can work on. And another one is the documentation space. And the next one is going to be the knowledge based space. This knowledge base space mainly used for to create how-to articles, because and these articles will be associated with the Jira service management portal. I'm going to explain the benefits of creating a how-to article in Confluence and associate with the Jira service management project in my advanced videos. So for now, let's take the blank space and create next. And the next page, it will ask you the space name. Let's give demo, demo, demo test. Let me take out one extra space here and create space. That's it. Now you are successfully created the first Confluence space. Since we did not pick any of the templates, it is telling that this is your space. You can customize it the way you would like to see. So for now, since it is the beginner session, let's go with the default display. Later on, I will let you know how to customize your demo space. So now in your space page, you see the pages here, and I'm going to explain how to create a page and the sub pages of the pages under the space that you have created in my later videos. And also, I'm going to explain how you can restrict the view of your space to specific people and my later videos. So, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Jira Bakery.